Hello friends, I'm Ron Brown. We recently introduced the Easy Spindle duplicating jig for your wood lathe, complete with the template tracing accessory. I just wanted to let you know that we have re-engineered that, makes it even easier to use and eliminates a whole lot of the extra setup. So I was thinking about the tracing accessory that we provide with our Easy Spindle duplicator, and the old design, which was just round in one piece. You had to remove this whole assembly in order to slide this over, and I thought, well, that's really unnecessary since it's all set up exactly the way you want it. So I redesigned it to come up with a split configuration here, where you just take the front half of it, put it wherever you want it. The back half has two screws, like so, and you just clamp it up and that's it. Now, the major benefit to this is you haven't changed anything on your Easy Spindle duplicator. So you would line up the pencil. You don't even have to move that. What you would do is just loosen up the cutting assembly and turn it around. Because this then imitates the stylus we had. So you just turn it around like so, and then line this up over your pencil, and you're good to go. Easy peasy, you haven't changed anything. When you're finished, you want to go back after you've traced your template. You put this in, line it up. You would obviously remove your tracing accessory here, reline up the tip with that, and you're good to go.